Here I've got OPPO A73 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first you have to select the settings, then find and pick display and brightness, and now go to the night shield right here. And if you'd like to activate it right now, just click on enable now, and as you can see from now on it's active. You can personalize the temperature, smoothly tap on the scale to select some warmer or cooler colors, it's up to you. Then you can also pick if you would like to display in color, display in black and white. And as you can see, now it's changed. Or if you would like to have comfortable nighttime reading, just click here. So just pick the option that you would like to have and then customize the colors over here. So this is it. You can turn it off right here. But if you would like to set some automatic rule, if you would like to schedule your night mode, just click on schedule time. And now just select the period of time, so it can be between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day. So that's it. From now on, every day between 11 and 6, your night mode will be active. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.